Another important new feature, and one of the reasons why this release took so long, is the addition of Python scripting and the Python console and Scratchpad. So what you can do with this is interact with the CsoundQt interface, the widgets, and the running Csound instances. So you can have execute Python code using evaluate selection or Alt-E, and this will run the file and has sent the event for processing. You can also use the console to send changes both for the Csound engine and the widgets. I've also added a few examples from different people, like a realization of Koenig's essay with a full interface that renders all of the tape pieces and then splices them together. And it shows some of the possibilities of what you can do with this, like live coding. So you can define your functions there, and then you can send a block of events together, evaluate it in real time. So thanks very much for watching.